Hello students, welcome to FYBSc class. Today we are going to discuss about the requirements and guidelines of National Biodiversity Authority for Culture Collection Center from FYBSc syllabus paper MB 122 Microbial Cultivation and Growth. The learning objectives of this lecture is to understand the guidelines for designated repositories. So today's topic is requirement and guidelines of National Biodiversity Authority for culture collections. Now let's discuss the guidelines for the designated repositories. So, to act as a designated repository where we can safely deposit holotypes, isotypes, or the paratypes of the new taxa which was discovered in India. So, what are the holotypes? Holotypes are the specimens which are based on the group taxon which is initially present within the original publication. So, which specimen we can call them as a holotypes? For the specimen which was eligible to be holotypes in colonial animals and the protistans. Isotypes is the any duplicate of holotype. So it's always present in the as a specimen. Next one is the paratype. Paratype is the species of an organism which helps to define the scientific name of a species and other taxon which was actually present. Paratypes are usually held in museum research collection. So, the samples of biological resources which was accessed by foreign citizens or the researchers or they are sent or carried abroad by Indian citizens institutions for the research and according to the section 39 and the 19 of the Biological Diversity Act 2002 with Rule 14 of the Biological Diversity Rules 2004 under the clause of 4 of the Regulation on ABS Guidelines which was notified in November 2014. So these are the name of the certain institutes which carry the biological resources and what kind of the biological resources were carried by that particular institute. So first one is the Botanical Survey of India which was located in Kolkata. Now this institute carry the biological resources like flora of angiosperms, gymnosperm, pteridophytes, bryophytes, lichens, macrofungi, macroalgae. Next one is the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources located in New Delhi. Here it collects the samples of biological resources like plant genetic resources of cultivated plants and their wild relatives. National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, which collect the biological resources of flora of angiosperms, gymnosperm, pteridophytes, bryophytes, lichens, macrofungi, macroalgae. Next one is the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education located in Dehradun where it collects the flora of angiosperms, gymnosperms, pteridophytes, bryophytes, lichens, macrofungi, macroalgae. It also collects the flora or fauna of termites, butterflies, and the Zoological Survey of India, located in Kolkata, collects the fauna of organisms. National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, located in Karnal, Haryana, it collects the genetic resources of domestic animals. Next institute is National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources located in Lucknow, UP, where it collects the repository of fish genetic resources. National Institute of Oceanography, Goa, collects or deposit marine flora and the fauna. Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun. It will collect or deposit faunal resources in protected area. Next one is National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganism, Maunath Banjan, UP. It collects agriculturally important microorganisms. Next institute, Institute of Microbial Technology, located in Chandigarh. It collects or reposits microorganisms which we can use for the industrial use like the actinomycetes, bacteria, fungus and the yeast. Next one is the National Institute of Virology located in Pune, serve as a repository of viruses. Indian Agricultural Research Institute located in New Delhi, serve as the repository of microorganisms as well as fungus and blue-green algae. National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Insect, which was located in Bengaluru, it will deposits all agriculturally important insects, mites, and spiders. Next one is the Microbial Culture Collection, National Center for Cell Science, located in Pune. It will collect all the microorganisms or serve as a repository of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, including yeast, as well as it also serves as a repository of cell cultures. These are the references. You can refer textbook on microbial cultivation and the growth published by the Success Publication and authors are Dr. Sunita H. Patil, Dr. Suchita N. Patil and Prajakta Patsurkar. In addition to this, you can refer these Wikipedia websites. Thank you.